Very happy morning, students. Today, this class we are going to discuss about lesson number 8, International Economic Organization, third part. First, we are going to discuss about the two important thing, TRIMS, and second one, TRIPS. What does the term TRIMS means? Trade related investment measures. And this TRIMS is the main important program. It was introduced only for the development of developing countries. Three countries we are having classification: underdeveloped country or less developed country. Next one, developing country, and last one, advanced country. So here, TRIMS is the main important organization, comes under the category of World Trade Organization. It is undertaken only for the development of developing countries. TRIPS, trade related intellectual property rights. This is the main important thing undertaken only for the development of third world countries, or it is also known as underdeveloped country, or it is also known as less developed countries. Clear? These two important program or these two important organization, TRIMS as well as TRIPS, what is the main important role they have played means they have created certain important thing, and they can also put the full stop for certain important problem. 5 important major burning problem. That is the thing: no restriction on the area of investment, and next one, no binding of use of local material, and no mandatory export, no restriction on royalty, dividend and interest. Last one, no trade balancing requirements. TRIPS and TRIMS, they can put the full stop for what are the main important things on the area of investment, local material, export, royalty, dividend and interest, and last one, balancing requirement. Clear? And next one, World Trade Organization is the main important organization. It has started its main important function in the year 1995. First one, GATT, and the GATT, it has been rechanged the name to World Trade Organization. So what is the thing GATT? What does meant by GATT? Write a short note on GATT. They will ask in part B 2 marks, means General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. First multilateral set of rules, and it can also cover the main important services like building, transport, corporation, building, shipping, corporation, each and everything. That is the thing: banking, shipping, insurance, transportation, commerce. For the development of commerce, each and everything comes under the category of GATT. All member countries, they can extend the main important facilities from General Agreement on Tariff and Trade Organization. And this GATT, they are also having certain important member countries, 189 member countries, and in that member countries, they can give the main important thing without any partiality for all the member countries. They can extend their that is the thing, helping hand. What is the thing here? General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, they are following the main important procedure MFN. What is the thing? MFN means most favored nation. For all the member countries, they can provide the financial assistance in order to correct the disimbalance of payment without any partiality or discrimination. Clear? And next one, MFA. What is the thing? MFA means multi-fiber agreement, and it is also undertaken only for the development of textiles and garments. Another important thing, it has started MFA, it has started its main important function in the year 1974, and it is also undertaken for both the developing country as well as underdeveloped country. Which one organization? MFA, multi-fiber agreement, textile garment, 1974, developing advanced country. Over AOA, agreement on agriculture. AOA, agreement on agriculture. It was first time included under the category of the organization GATT, General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. And what is the main important role played by AOA means tariff cut. Tariff means what is the thing? Tariff or a schedule of custom is levied upon import, and it can also reduce the subsidies. These are all the main important thing. And next one, functions of World Trade Organization. The main important functions of World Trade Organization can be classified under 4 important categories. Facilitate the implementation, administration, operation of the objectives of MTA. MTA means what? As multilateral trade agreement. Second important function, it provides the forum for member countries in multilateral trade. Various types of trade activities are taken by each and every countries. So each and everything, it can given the helping hand. Which one? World Trade Organization for their member countries. administers the understanding of rules and procedures in settling of disputes. If one country and another country they are having the trade relationship, certain important problem and disputes arises, each and everything, this World Trade Organization, they can interfere and they can also put the problem for that, and they can also solve the disputes. Last one, cooperate with IMF and World Bank. Which one? This World Trade Organization. So this World Trade Organization is the sister institution of World Bank and IMF.